Hey everybody, Shash here. Today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking with Kali Linux, the go-to OS for security researchers and ethical hackers. Think of Kali as a giant toolbox packed with powerful tools for penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. We're exploring the top 10 all-in-one hacking tools every aspiring ethical hacker should know. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about Metasploit, often called the Swiss Army knife of penetration testing, and for good reason. This powerful tool has become a staple in the world of cybersecurity, trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting out, Metasploit is a name you'll hear again and again. It's an open-source framework absolutely packed with a vast library of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules, all designed to help you test your system's security. With Metasploit, you can simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment, giving you a safe way to identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do. One of Metasploit's greatest strengths is its massive, ever-growing database. This lets you target a huge range of systems, from web servers and databases to mobile devices and IoT gadgets. No matter what you're testing, chances are Metasploit has a module for it. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to remember, always use Metasploit ethically, and only on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use isn't just unethical, it's illegal and can have serious consequences. So how does it actually work? The process is straightforward but powerful. First, you pick your target system. Next, you select an exploit that matches a known vulnerability. Then, you choose a payload. This is the code that will run if the exploit succeeds. After configuring your options, you launch the attack and observe the results. Each step is designed to mimic the tactics of real attackers, but in a safe, controlled way. Think of it like searching for the right key to fit a specific lock. Once you find the right combination, you gain access. Then it's up to you to decide what actions to take next, whether it's gathering information, escalating privileges, or simply reporting the vulnerability. Metasploit's flexibility and depth make it an essential tool for anyone serious about ethical hacking. It's used in training labs, professional environments, and even in cybersecurity competitions around the world. There's a lot more to explore, from advanced scripting to custom module development. But mastering the basics of Metasploit is your gateway into the world of professional penetration testing. If you're truly passionate about cybersecurity, Metasploit absolutely belongs in your toolkit. It's not just a tool, it's a launchpad for your journey into ethical hacking and digital defense. Next, meet Nmap, the network mapper. Nmap scans your network, revealing connected devices, open ports, and running services. It's your X-ray vision for network security, helping you spot vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Nmap works by sending packets and analyzing responses, building a detailed map of your network. It's command line based, but don't let that scare you. Tons of resources make it easy to learn. From inventory to security audits, Nmap is essential for any network investigator. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Now, let's talk about Burp Suite, often considered the ultimate web application security platform by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting your journey into cybersecurity, Burp Suite is a name you'll hear again and again. It's a powerful toolkit designed to help you uncover, analyze, and fix vulnerabilities in web applications, making the internet a safer place for everyone. Burp Suite acts as a bridge between your browser and the web server, intercepting and modifying traffic in real time. This allows you to see exactly what data is being sent and received, giving you the power to analyze requests and responses at a granular level. With this deep visibility, you can uncover hidden issues that might otherwise go unnoticed, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about web security. Think of Burp Suite as a diagnostic machine for web applications. It lets you safely probe, test, and even exploit vulnerabilities in a controlled environment. This means you can identify weaknesses before attackers do and learn how to patch them effectively. From simple misconfigurations to complex logic flaws, Burp Suite helps you understand the full security posture of your web apps. The free community edition is perfect for beginners who want to get hands-on experience with web security testing. But if you're looking for more advanced capabilities, the Pro version unlocks a suite of powerful features, like automated vulnerability scanning, advanced crawling, and a marketplace full of custom extensions. These tools can save you hours of manual work and help you discover vulnerabilities faster and more efficiently. One of Burp Suite's biggest strengths is its intuitive, user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to cybersecurity, you'll find it easy to navigate and start testing right away. The platform is designed to be accessible so you can focus on learning and improving your skills without getting bogged down by complicated menus or confusing workflows. For anyone serious about web application security, whether you're a professional pen tester, a bug bounty hunter, or just passionate about keeping the web safe, Burp Suite is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Its versatility and depth make it the go-to choice for security experts around the world. In short, Burp Suite is your control panel for web hacking and defense. It empowers you to take charge of your web security journey, giving you the tools and confidence to tackle even the toughest challenges. Let's dive into the world of Wi-Fi security with AirCrack, a powerful suite of tools designed specifically for assessing and testing the strength of wireless networks. In today's digital age, where almost every device in your home or office connects to Wi-Fi, keeping your network secure is more important than ever. AirCrack is a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers because it provides a comprehensive set of features for analyzing, monitoring, and even breaking into wireless networks, legally of course, and only with proper authorization. AirCrack supports a wide range of security protocols, including WEP, WPA, and WPA2. This means it's perfectly suited for testing the security of most modern Wi-Fi setups, whether you're at home in a small business or managing a larger enterprise network. By simulating real-world attacks, you can identify weak points in your network's defenses before someone with malicious intent does. One of the best things about AirCrack is its versatility. It runs smoothly on Linux, Windows, and macOS, so you're not limited by your choice of operating system. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just starting to learn about network security, you can use AirCrack on your preferred platform, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The core of AirCrack power lies in its ability to capture data packets as they travel through the air. By collecting these packets, the tool can analyze the information and attempt to crack Wi-Fi passwords using advanced algorithms and brute force techniques. This process helps you understand just how vulnerable or secure your network really is, and it's a crucial step in any thorough wireless security audit. Think of AirCrack as a master key for wireless networks. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's essential to use these tools only on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use is not just unethical, it's illegal and can have serious consequences. AirCrack is powerful, flexible, and absolutely essential for anyone who's serious about wireless security. Whether you're conducting a professional audit, learning ethical hacking, or just want to make sure your home Wi-Fi is safe, this toolkit has you covered. Always remember, ethical use only, and respect privacy and the law. So, take the initiative. Test your own network, find vulnerabilities before others do, and strengthen your defenses. With AirCrack, you're not just protecting your data, you're taking control of your digital world. Meet John the Ripper, the legendary password cracker. John tests password strength using dictionary, brute force, and hybrid attacks. It leverages massive word lists to crack weak passwords fast. Use John to find and replace weak passwords in your own systems. It's like reinforcing your digital locks before attackers find the weak spots. Always use John ethically, never on accounts you don't own. Strong passwords are your first line of defense. Wireshark is your microscope for network traffic. Capture, filter, and analyze packets in real time to troubleshoot issues or spot suspicious activity. It's invaluable for diagnosing slow connections or identifying security threats. Wireshark records every packet passing through your network interface, giving you deep visibility. Its user-friendly interface lets you filter by IP, port, or protocol. Think of it as a search engine for your network. Whether you're fixing problems or hunting threats, Wireshark is a must-have. Dive in and see what your network is really saying. Sometimes you need brute force. Enter Hydra. Hydra specializes in password cracking attacks against network services. It tries thousands of username and password combinations, smashing through weak defenses. Highly customizable, Hydra lets you target specific services and use custom word lists. Brute forcing can be slow, but Hydra's parallel connections speed things up. Use it to test your own system's resilience. Never attack unauthorized targets. Hydra is a powerful reminder. Strong, unique passwords matter. Test, strengthen, and stay secure. Nikto is your web server vulnerability scanner. It digs deep, checking for outdated software, misconfigurations, and known security flaws. Nikto's vast vulnerability database makes it a digital detective for your web server. Use it to find and fix weaknesses before attackers do. Regular scans keep your server locked down. Nikto is essential for proactive web security. SQL Map is the automation wizard for SQL injection testing. It detects and exploits SQL injection flaws, helping you secure your databases. SQL Map supports a range of techniques: blind, error-based, and time-based injections. It can enumerate database schemas, extract data, and even execute commands. Manual SQL injection testing is tedious. SQL Map makes it fast and thorough. Use it to find and patch vulnerabilities before attackers do. Automate your database security with SQL Map. Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, is your go-to for simulating social engineering attacks. SET crafts phishing emails, fake websites, and targeted campaigns to test human vulnerabilities. It helps organizations train employees to spot and resist real-world attacks. SET's wide range of attack vectors makes it a powerful tool for security awareness. Use it to identify weaknesses and build a stronger human firewall. Understanding social engineering is key to defense. Simulate, educate, and protect. That's the ultimate Kali Linux hacking toolkit. Use these tools wisely, ethically, and legally. Which tool intrigued you most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay safe, stay ethical, and keep hacking.